In this video, I will explain how to send voice messages on Discord PC in a few simple steps. So first up, let's head on over to any browser that you're using. For me, I'm using Microsoft Edge, and then head on over to vencord.dev. Okay, so once you did that, head on over to download Vencord to download Vencord. Then it will take you to this page, and then just click on download the installer. Then once you've downloaded it, as for me, I have already downloaded it, just click on open file. And then once you did that, it will take you to this app, and then it will open the installer. And then you can select an install to patch, which is stable or custom installs location. So I suggest you put on stable so that it will work better with your Discord. Then once you did that, just press install. So it will install it directly to Discord. But when you're installing Vencord, take note that you need to close Discord first for it to work. Okay. So once you did that, let's head on over to Discord. Okay, so once you downloaded it, it will take you, let's head on over to the settings. Then you will see the Vencord tab over here. Head on over to Vencord and then, or get to plugins. So for us to send a voice message, let's search for the voice message plugin. Then click on enable voice message. Okay, so once you did that, just go back and then click on the plus sign over here when you send a message, and you will see send voice message. Okay, so for example, you can upload a file or you can start recording. So for example, I'll start recording, hello, hello, and stop recording. Just click on send, and you can see it's now sending voice message. Please be patient. And then after that, it will be sent. And that's about it. That's how to send voice messages on Discord PC. Drop a comment below to let me know if this was helpful or if you need any more assistance. Your feedback is super important to me. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that follow button. Your support really helps in reaching more people who could benefit from this video.